Do you know that you can earn passive income with these 8 powerful apps that I'll be sharing with you in today's video? If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching all the way till the end. The best is, imagine waking up in the morning with more money than you ever had. I mean, before you went to bed, more money in your bank account than you did before you went to bed without lifting a finger. You think it sounds too good to be true? Besties, with the rise of passive income apps, you can now earn money while you sleep or with just minimal effort by doing the things that you already love, like listening to music, like sleeping, or even walking. In today's video, I will share with you 8 powerful apps that you can earn passive income from. And I can almost guarantee you've never heard of any of these apps before. I mean, discover a new app as I mentioned it in today's video. Just type new in the comments. If you know you're hearing about the app for the very first time, type new in the comments. Yeah, because that will help me know that this research I'm doing is actually making a difference. Before we get started, guys, these apps are going to be very helpful. Yes, so please take note of them. Some of them may even pay you much more than minimum payouts in most countries. And most of these apps I'll be sharing with you, they work worldwide and require no technical skill. And they are free to install. No, this is not a sponsored video. It's just real research on apps that people are actually using to make extra money. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, the first one on my list is Evidation. Yes, it's formerly known as Achievement app. Guys, Evidation app rewards you for maintaining a healthy lifestyle just by tracking your steps, your sleep, and other fitness activities. You can also earn points by participating in surveys. You can earn up to $10. I'm sorry. You can earn $10 for every 10,000 points, and they're going to pay you through PayPal. Yes, and here is how to get started. Go ahead and download the app, connect your fitness tracker, maybe Fitbit, Apple Health, or Garmin, and then start earning points for daily activities. If it is new to you, don't forget to type new in the comments, and if you've heard about it before, type old in the comments. The next app on my list is called Earn App. Yes, EARNAPP, Earn App, like earning money. So guys, Earn App lets you make money using your idle devices, maybe your phone, your tablets, or your computer. So guys, it pays you for sharing unused data bandwidth. Yes, you can earn up to from $20 to $50 on it, and it's available worldwide on PayPal as well. And here is how to get started. Simply download the app, connect multiple devices to maximize your earnings, and then mixed reviews. Some people claim to get high earnings, while some people claim to get low earnings. So do your research before also using it. The next app on my list is called Cash Stars. Cash Stars pays you to listen to music, to like photos, to search on Google, to play video games, and also complete various tasks. And you can earn up to $100 on this app. And here is how to get started. Download the app, join the priority waitlist, and complete daily tasks. The next app on my list is called Packet Share. Packet Share allows you to earn money by sharing data and completing tasks. You make money based on shared data volume, and it is only available for Android devices. And here is how to get started. So install the app, allow necessary permissions, and complete small tasks. Guys, the next app on my list is called Adam. Yes, AADAM app. They pay you to actually walk. So just install the app, keep your phone in your pocket, and earn money for the steps that you already take. You can make between $10 to $20 on it. And what you need to do is to synchronize the app with a fitness tracker or built-in counter and start walking. Now, the next app on my list is called Honeygain. I'm sure you've seen it before, right? Honeygain is one of the most reputable passive income apps. It pays users for sharing unused internet bandwidth. You can earn up to $30 on it. It's available in 150 countries. All you need to do is to install it on multiple devices, whether on PC, tablet, phone, to maximize your earnings. They pay you through PayPal or Bitcoin. And the next app on my list is called Generate. Guys, Generate, GENER with the figure 8. Generate pays you for sharing your data while running in the background. The earnings actually varies based on the data that is shared, and it's available worldwide. And here is how to get started. Just install the app, allow permissions, redeem points for PayPal Cash or gift cards. Guys, the next app on my list is called Fitmint. Guys, Fitmint rewards you for staying active by tracking steps and workouts. You can earn between $5 to $30 and it's available worldwide. To get started, register on Fitmint, track your activities and participate in challenges to boost your earnings. So guys, these 8 apps offer simple ways to earn passive or semi-passive income. Guys, combining multiple apps can even earn you up to $300. Guys, if you have found this video useful, if you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then click on new. Yes, whenever you discover an app that you've never heard before on my channel. So if you're new here, please by all means go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for your love and your massive support. Thank you for always sharing my video out. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. And yes, if you have a business or a service that you offer, I have great news for you. Yes, I have a free gift for you guys in today's video. It's a bonus app. It is called Nextdoor, and I think I've been preaching the gospel of Nextdoor on my video for quite a while now. So yes, Nextdoor is an app that enables you to make money just from your neighborhood, because a lot of times we are speaking to the world, like to the internet, but we are not speaking to no one. We're not speaking to one person in particular. Nextdoor allows you to take advantage of the market share in your local community. So if you have about 100,000 people in your local community and your market share there is 1% of it, that is more than enough. Out of 100,000 people, you're able to get 1,000 clients. You have made it in life. You have made it in life. So yes, Nextdoor app is free. Yeah, and you don't need to build any relationship before you find clients. You can just go on there and introduce yourself. Every single time you post on Nextdoor, make sure that you introduce yourself. So that people would, you gain credibility, and then people who have actually patronized you in the past can go into the comments and say, yes, I trust her, she did a good job for me, or he did a wonderful job for me. So yes, Nextdoor is that app where you can get low-hanging fruits. The lowest hanging fruits ever is on Nextdoor. I have run ads before on Facebook and of course on Yelp. I know how hard it is to even get clients on these platforms. In fact, the last ad I ran on Yelp did not generate any clients for me. Yeah, so there was no return on investment. I was just paying until I discovered that, hey, wait a minute, I can actually post on Nextdoor and make money. A lot of people are sleeping on it because people are rarely advertising on Nextdoor, but I am intentionally advertising on this app called Nextdoor, and it is making a huge difference in my revenue. So yes, go ahead and try out Nextdoor app or Nextdoor website and let me know your thoughts as you do so. I wish you all the best in all your endeavors. Till I see you in my next video. Keep winning and keep sparking. Do not forget to introduce yourselves in the comments, like this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. Till I see you guys, take care and God bless you.